Welcome to our guide on starting a custom meal kit delivery business. Today, we'll explore essential resources to help you succeed in this growing industry. First, let's dive into some must-read books. Titles like The Meatball Shop Cookbook and The Kitchen Cookbook offer invaluable insights on recipe development and ingredient sourcing. Podcasts are another great resource. The Meal Kit podcast and the Food Startups podcast cover the latest trends and best practices in meal kit delivery. YouTube videos can provide visual guidance. Check out How to Start a Custom Meal Kit Delivery Business by Entrepreneur for a comprehensive overview. AI tools like Blue Apron and HelloFresh can streamline your operations. These platforms help you create and deliver custom meal kits tailored to dietary needs. Online courses are perfect for in-depth learning. Udemy's Custom Meal Kit Delivery 101 and Coursera's e-commerce for custom meal kit delivery are excellent starting points. Marketing is crucial for success. Hootsuite's video on how to market custom meal kits and LinkedIn Learning's course on marketing strategies can boost your visibility. Ready to get started? Utilize these resources to build a thriving custom meal kit delivery business. Thanks for watching and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.